I said when.
Camille said when.
Yeah, I said
Am I
when.
getting too loud? I'm sorry. I'm sorry I invited myself to this too, but it was worth it, and I'm not sorry for it at all.
Dinner table fun time.
This is not fun.
We
Yeah,
were on the
it
JD
is.
Salinger, so
It's
we
not
couldn't have
supposed
Oh wait, no.
I think it's fun.
It's supposed to be very
It's not
proper.
supposed to be fun.
Eating is fun.
You're not
Eating's
supposed to look at
fun.
each other. You're supposed to look down at your food and not look at each other. I'm gonna have to turn these lights off.
Wait, I'm at the
Waitress.
very yeah.
You're the waitress.
I know.
You're the waitress.
I'm used to being a waitress.
Get me a refill, please.
Yeah, I know.
No, wait. Can I have?
Sorry.
May I have a grape Fanta? A grape, not a Sprite.
Would you like it in a cup, or would you like it?
I just want it in the can. Yeah.
Okay. All my grape.
I don't have
Those
a,
are like
I don't
gone.
have a canister.
She has a dog.
Roland, can I just call one of your canisters?
Oh. Hey, what's up?